Hi guys, so we're just going to do a little shape review here with our 3D shapes, and then I'm going to teach you two new shapes, okay? So first up, who remembers what this was? It's not a ball, though a ball is this shape. If you said sphere, you are right, it is a sphere. Now remember what was special about our sphere. Our sphere has no flat surfaces. It's completely curved and round, which means it's not very good if I want to stack it. But if I want it to roll, it's excellent. That's a sphere. You guys did such a good job finding spheres in your house and sending me pictures of them this week. It was really cool to see all the neat spheres that you had. I saw people with bouncy balls and marbles, and I saw one that was a really decorative sphere that was on outside porch area. Then this was the other shape that you learned. Do you remember what this was called? Looks like a box. You're right, it is a cube. And a cube is very interesting because it has a whole bunch of flat surfaces. That means that if I wanted to stack it, if I had lots of cubes, I could make a huge tower. Or if I have other shapes that have flat surfaces, like this one, I can just keep on stacking all the way up. So, a cube also has something cool. It can stack, and because of its flat surfaces, it can slide. But it doesn't roll quite as nice as that sphere because it doesn't have anything curved on it. So, we have a cube, and we have a sphere. Today we're going to learn two new shapes. This is the first shape that we're going to learn. I want to show you all the sides of it. This shape is called a cylinder. Now a cylinder has both curved surfaces, like our sphere, and it has flat surfaces, just like our cube. So when we have a cylinder, it has two flat surfaces. It has a top and it has a bottom. And it has a round surface that goes around the whole side. So that means that my cylinder can roll like the sphere can, but it means that if I put a flat surface down, it can also stack. There's lots of cylinders that we use every day. For example, a can, like maybe in your pantry or your food closet, a can is often in the shape of a cylinder. Many times glasses, like you would drink out of, are in the shape of a cylinder. So this is a cylinder. The other new shape that we're going to talk about is a cone. Usually you probably see cones like this, like an ice cream cone. A cone has a round, curved surface around the outside, and it has a flat surface on the bottom. So that means that our cone can also roll, it can stack, and actually it could slide straight across the bottom. So cones and cylinders are the same way. You could slide that too. Cones and cylinders can do both. Now, the interesting thing about the cone and stacking the cone is because the flat surface is only on the bottom, a cone can stack, but it always must be the top. Because there is no way I can stack something on top of that little point there. Watch. It's not going to work. So today when you do your math work, you're going to be working with the cone and with the cylinder. I hope that this helps you to better understand your cones and your cylinders. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.